How to set an away status on Google Chat. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Google Chat app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the top left corner you can find 3 bars. Click on it. With that you will find this option of active, and the right corner of it you will find the drop down. Click on it. With that, different options will appear as automatic, do not disturb and set as away. If you want to be away long-term, set your status to away, otherwise you can set it to do not disturb as well. When you set your status to away, you will appear offline to others even if you are using Google Chat. So check in for the option of set as away. With that, you have just enabled set as away on your Google Chat account. So this way you can easily set an away status on Google Chat. So that's all for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.